remove your air filter. Remove this tab from the side panel in front. Remove the tin at the back. Then you take your star, all the bolts in the air. Once you remove the 6 bolts, you take a magnet and remove all the bolts. Then you go to the top and you back it up. Then you remove the 2 finger screws on top. So 1, 2. And your air filter should be loose. That's how you do it. So we're going to take our air filter and clean it with benzene. Once it's dry, you put it back on the other side that came out, the opposite side of the bike. Take it, put it close, take 1 screw on either side, put it in, and then you reverse the process you did by taking it out. Close the top. Then you take your side panel, clip it in the front. Go to each rubber, place it. After you put the tin in, you take your start on the bottom of the side panel and you put it in. That's how you properly change your air filter.
Hi everyone, this is our new merch. come to the shop to come get it yourself. And click the bell notification to see more. Click like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.